Hi guys, welcome to Discover in 5 Minutes channel. My name is Jugnu. Today we are going to show you Dubai Full Mosque where anyone can go and explore their beautiful architecture. On first, we have Al Farooq Umar bin Al Khattab Mosque located in residential area of Al Safa that can accommodate 2000 worshippers. It is one of the largest mosques in the UAE. Al Farooq Umar bin Al Khattab is also known as the Blue Mosque Istanbul. Carpet were especially manufactured in Germany and a new system of air conditioning is used to make sure it's comfortable. It is one of the mosques in Dubai where non-Muslims are allowed to enter. It's open daily Saturday to Thursday morning at 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and in evening at 4:15 p.m. to 6 p.m. The tour in the mosque take 45 to 60 minutes. Check out more information on link mentioned in description. Nearest metro station Noor Bank. Jumeirah Mosque is among the most beautiful mosques in Dubai that is located right in the heart of a popular coastal residential area of Jumeirah. This is one of the older ones among the famous Dubai mosques built in 1976. The style of architecture originated from Syria and Egypt. Jumeirah Mosque can accommodate approximately 1,500 worshippers. The beauty of this religious monument has also led it to become one of the most photographed mosques in Dubai. Tourists and non-Muslims are also welcome to visit the mosque daily from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. except price. Registration begins 30 minutes before the program starts. Check out more information on link mentioned in description. Nearest metro station Al Jafaliya. On third, we have Grand Bird Dubai Mosque. It is located between Textile Souk and Dubai Museum. This mosque, originally constructed in 19, after 60 years of its magnificent structure, it was demolished and reconstructed. In 1998, it was further reconstructed with an innovative design based on its 19 infrastructure. Grand Bird Dubai Mosque can accommodate 1,200 worshippers. For tourists and non-Muslims who will be visiting the mosque, I strongly advise to wear full dress. Travelers can tour the mosque from 9 a.m. till 11:30 a.m. Sunday to Thursday. After exploring the magnificence of Grand Bird Dubai Mosque, you can also visit other tourist spots such as Dubai Old Museum and Dubai Abras. Dubai Old Museum is just next to the mosque and backside you can enjoy Dubai Abras ride. Okay guys, these three mosques are allowed for non-Muslims. I have one more mosque to show you which is my one of favorite. Al Salam Mosque, uniquely designed mosque in Al Barsa, is among the must-see mosques in the city of Dubai. It is one of the newly mosques in the city. The mosque has attractive stained glass windows. Al Salam Mosque has located nearby Mall of Emirates. If you guys want to view the lovely cliques of all mentioned mosques, then check out our Facebook and Instagram page. I will add link in the description. Thank you for watching Discover in 5 minutes. See you in next video.